In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a Google Chrome ad blocker in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to reduce distractions, block annoying ads, and make your browsing experience much cleaner and faster. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps its main settings and tools. From the menu, click on Extensions. If you do not see the extension you need right away, don't worry, because we're going to open the Chrome Web Store next. On the Extensions page, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official store where you can safely find browser extensions. In the search bar, type AdBlocker. After that, look through the results until you find AdBlocker, stands AdBlocker. Make sure you select the correct extension so you can install the right tool for your browser. Once you open it, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show you a confirmation prompt asking for permission to install the extension. To finish the setup, click Add Extension. After that, Chrome will download and install the ad blocker automatically. Once it's installed, you should see the extension appear in your browser, ready to help block ads while you browse, and that's it. You've successfully installed a Google Chrome ad blocker. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.